Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to change your profile photo on the Instagram app using your PC, especially with the latest update. Whether you want to refresh your look or update your brand image, this quick tutorial will help you do it in no time. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look at the left side menu. There, you'll see a profile icon. Click on it to go directly to your profile page. Next, find and click the Edit Profile button. This option lets you customize your profile details, including your profile picture. After that, you will see an option labeled Change Photo. Click on this to start the process of selecting a new image. Now choose Upload Photo. This will open a file browser window where you can navigate through your computer files and select the picture you want to use as your new profile photo. Once you've found the perfect photo, click Open to upload it. Instagram will then update your profile picture with the new image you selected. And that's it. Your Instagram profile photo is now changed on your PC using the app's new update. This process is straightforward and helps keep your profile fresh and personalized without needing to switch to a mobile device. Thanks for watching and enjoy your updated Instagram profile.